Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So, students, how was your weekend? I hope it will be so much good. So, students, this is your science class, and you know what we are going to do, the revision of the chapter. Last we have done the revision of the chapter electricity. So today we are going to do the revision of the chapter unit number 13, the solar system. Okay, we have already read it and revised it and understand it properly in your class, but today we are going to do the revision of this. The solar system is made of all the planets that orbit the sun. You know that there is not only one solar system, there are more than one solar system in our universe. But our solar system is made up of all the planets, including our Earth also, which orbit the sun. Sun is also a star, as you know. It is a big star made up of many gases. Okay. Now, solar system is made up of the space between the planets. The things which are included in the space that form the solar system. Okay. Now, after explaining the solar system, you can see the picture of it. Look, in your book, page number 58 and 59, you can see, open the books and you can see this all is solar system. Okay, the picture which is shown on the page number 59, this is all is solar system. Okay, now the major parts of the solar system are the planets. You know how much planets are there in the world? I know you must have learned because we have repeated many times. How many planets? There are 8 planets in our solar system. First, before it there were 9, but because of some reason that was excluded from our solar system, and now we have 8 planets in our solar system. Name them. I know everyone know the names. Number 1 is Mercury. Number 2 is Venus. Number 3 is Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, you have learned how much is planets are there in our solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system. You must remember the order of it. For remembering the order, what we have learned, which phrase we have learned? Have you remembered? What is the phrase which we have learned for the remembering the order of the planets? We have learned, my very educated mother just served us noodles. The first word will remind us the name of the planet. Okay? What will we do? We will learn, क्या करेंगे हम बेटा? We will learn the phrase, my very educated mother just served us noodles. Okay? The first word will make us remember the order of the planets. This was about the sequence, about the solar system and the planets. Okay? Understood? Clear everyone? Now moving to the next page. Next page, what we have to do, page number 60 and 61. Now we are studying something, means we can say features, means something about the planets. More about the planets. Number 1 is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It is also the smallest planet in our solar system. मरकरी इज स्मॉलेस्ट, यानी ये सबसे छोटा है और सन से बिल्कुल करीब है. इट इज़ द क्लोजेस्ट टू द सन एंड वेरी स्मॉलेस्ट इन आवर solar system. These things you have to learn properly and you must remember. It is not necessary the thing which we have done in the copy that's only come in the exam. ये रट्टाफिकेशन नहीं. You have to clear your concept. When you will clear the concept and read the book properly, you will be able to solve any paper. Okay? Now the second one is Venus. Venus is the second closest planet to the sun. It is also the closest planet to the earth. यानी जो हमारा अर्थ है, द अर्थ विच वी आर लिविंग, इट इज़ द क्लोजेस्ट प्लैनेट टू आवर अर्थ. Okay, it is the second planet of the solar system. The third one is Earth. Earth is the planet, we live on it. It is also called a blue planet, but it is the only planet which has living things on it. Okay, and the fourth one is Mars. Mars is the planet which is the most similar to the Earth, but it seems to be similar to the Earth. It is orbited by its two moons. It's mean that it has its own two moons which orbited around the Mars. It is also called the red planet. Okay, we have studied these four. We now have only 4 planets. Okay, 4 planets are remaining. Number fifth one is the Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. Okay, biggest planets means the smallest one is the Mercury and the biggest one is Jupiter. Okay, got it student? You have to understand it. It has so much space and it can carry so much planet in itself. It has so much space. Okay, and Saturn is surrounded by rings made from ice and rock. यानी जो इसके इर्द गिर्द जो इसके अराउंड में जो रिंग्स हैं, इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ आइस एंड रॉक्स. It is made of ice and rocks. Okay, now the second last is Uranus. Uranus is the coldest planet. It lies on its side as it orbits the sun. It is the coldest because it just lies on the side of the sun. That's why it is the coldest one. And the last one is Neptune. Neptune was the last planet discovered by humans. जो ह्यूमन्स ने डिस्कवर किया था, यानी दरियाफ्त किया था, मैंने मीनिंग बताया था डिस्कवर्ड के, यानी उन्होंने ढूंढा था. इट इज़ द फारदेस्ट प्लैनेट फ्रॉम द सन. ये सन से जो दूर है, सबसे दूर वाला है, ये नेपच्यून है. नाउ ये आपको इन सब की चीज़ों को याद करना है. मैंने काफ़ी दफ़ा ये दोहरा भी चुकी हैं. आई हैव रिपीटेड दिस सो मच टाइम स्टूडेंट्स, सो यू मस्ट नो इट. ओके, you must know it that what are the feature, which is the biggest, which is the smallest, which is the closest, which is the farthest, and which is the hottest and which is the coldest. Okay, these things you have to remember. And if we give you the one word, then you can solve it properly. Now take out your copies. The first thing you have to write, first mention the date and day on the page. Revision work. Day is Monday. 12th of Shawwal. First of all, you have to write the names of planets in correct order. But it is not necessary that the thing which I am giving you the question that will be come in the exam. You have to learn each and everything of the chapter, question answers, terminologies, and one word answer. Everything you have to learn it. It is not necessary that I am giving this, it will only come. In spite of that, the other things will also come in your paper. Okay, names of the planet in correct order. Okay, there are 8 planets and you have to write them in the order. Now the next word, one word answer. Please mention the date and day. One word answer. प्लीज़ कॉपीज़ में अपनी डेट और डे बराबर प्रॉपरली मेंशन करिएगा, अदरवाइज आई विल नॉट चेक द कॉपीज़. Sorry, 14, 13, 14. Okay. Now revision work. Day. Day is Monday. Underline it. I have not underlined. You have to underline this. Okay. One word answer. Number 1. The last planet. The last planet of solar system. ये नेसेसरी नहीं है कि आपको आंसर्स आपकी कॉपी में मिले, बट इट विल बी इंक्लूडेड इन योर बुक. यू कैन सी, यू कैन यूज़ योर बुक एंड ट्राई टू डू इट बाय योरसेल्फ. It is orbited by its two moons. The first one, last planet of solar system. The second one is the closest planet to the sun. It is orbited by its two moons. Third one, number 4. The biggest planet. Please, you have to write according to the writing series, okay? The biggest planet. Number 5. It has living things on it. Living things on it. Okay, I have given you 5 one-word answer and one question. Write the names of planets in correct order. Okay, this is the question. You can write it here. And the second question is, write phrase for remembering the order of planet. Okay, got it? Today we have completed the revision of the chapter the solar system. Okay, if there is any confusion and you have to ask me any question, you can ask me in the group. Okay, I hope you have understood at the complete chapter. I have repeated again and I have done the revision. Write the names of, I have given you the question, write the names of planets in correct order. Write phrase for remembering the order of planets. And the one word answer, the last planet of solar system, the closest planet to sun. It is orbited by its two moons, the biggest planet, and the last one, fifth one, is it has living thing on it. Okay students, understood? This was for the today. I hope you will do the work easily. So take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.